Before I made my decision to join the fellowship, I think one of my most major concerns were choice of city, uh, what I would be doing post the fellowship, and I think what tops all of this is how I'm going to tell my parents about this, because I was really determined to take it up. So how I did come clean with my parents was not soon after the application, not after I got shortlisted, and certainly not after I got through the test as well. But when I got an email saying that they've chosen me for the assessment center, and it was more like a bomb blast at home. They were really unhappy with my decision. But after a couple of hours of convincing my mother, she was extremely supportive. Even after I went to institute and everything, my dad was still unhappy, and it was even harder for him to accept that I was placed in North Chennai. And then what did change everything was my dad's 50th birthday, and I convinced him to come to school to celebrate his 50th birthday with my kids and my entire school team, and that was the magic. I'm a person who's spent very lavishly, and I'm the only daughter, so you can only imagine how comfortable I was until college. 17,000 was, I don't know, I thought it was pretty awesome to have money of my own, and I thought I will be able to manage, but initially it was difficult. In the beginning, my parents had to help me out a little bit, but now things are falling in place, and once we've completed 2-3 months of that cycle, so we know when it is the right time to be lavish with spending, and when it is to cut down and hold back a little bit. And with the reimbursements and all of that, it's been no problem at all. The fellowship is not just about school and children and all of that, but I think the fellowship is also a lot about me and the people that I meet on this journey. So I think in my entire life, I haven't been exposed to as many people, and I haven't made as many contacts as I have during these 2 years. I think I've met so many people who've spoken to me about innumerable opportunities and innumerable aspects, career aspects that I could pursue post the fellowship. Just talking to people, just having that conversation with people has helped me really understand that it is important to do what I really love and really think about what's going to make me happy before I choose a career. And also we've got several career fairs here, companies like Dell and Goldman Sachs coming in to recruit. So a wide range of opportunities, having that platter in front of you and giving you that choice is also going to make you think about what you want to do. Just having that variety is, I think, one of most TFI's wonderful aspects. So it does not narrow down your career opportunities, but just expands it, and I think that's just extremely beautiful. I think this is the best thing that could ever happen to you, and it's completely worth it. And if you did not take up the fellowship, you're missing something monumental in your life it's really going to change your life, and I can vouch for that.